Welcome to Expertisium Supply Chain and Allied Domain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, let us discuss a term called Smart Label. Smart Label, also called Smart Tag, is an extremely flat configured transponder under a conventional print-coded label, which include chip, antenna, and banding wires as called as inlay. The labels made of paper, fabric, or plastic are prepared as a paper roll with the inlays laminated between the rolled carrier and the label media. In many processes in logistics and transportation, the barcode or 2D barcode is well established as the key means for identification in short distance, whereas the automation of such optical coding is limited in appropriate distance for reading success and usually requires manual operation for finding the code or scanner gates that scan all the surface of coded object. The RFID have a better tolerance. However, the mechanical vulnerability of RFID inlay is higher than the ordinary label, which has its weaknesses in its resistance to scratch. Thus, the smartness of the smart label is earned in compensation of typical weaknesses with a combination of technological of a plain text, optical character recognition, and radio code. The processing of this table is basically as with the ordinary label in all stages of production and application, except the inlay is inserted into automatic processing step to ensure positioning of each label and carefully processing to prevent any damage. The printing is processed in two steps, including normal inkjet printing, either barcode or 2D barcode, or later semi-automatic reading with the handheld readers, writing coherently concatenated information to the RFID chip, reading the written information on RFID chip subsequently in the printer for control purpose. Smart labels are applied directly to package or pallets or other shipping containers. The application directly to the product is still of negligible importance due to the cost of the label, which may be justified either for agglomeration of more than one project. Thanks for watching. Bye.